First, start by opening up Microsoft Paint. You can do that by right-clicking on the photo, open with, and click on Paint. Or you can just go to the Windows key, type in Paint, and then it should be under Programs, but it's a lot easier just to right-click and edit the photo like that. Get full screen. Right there's a little bar you can slide to make it bigger or smaller. These are different tools you can do. There's a rectangular selection, freeform selection, different types of selections. And then you can drag on the little squares and make the canvas bigger or smaller. The canvas is usually white, unless you change the color. These are all different shapes you can do. I'm just going to put this little lightning flash. You click and hold, so you can drag them on the canvas or on the picture, wherever you want it. Bigger or smaller, just put it where you want it. Make the canvas a little bigger, but see, the canvas already cropped it off, so you have to move it back. And then you can, let's see, I'll just add this arrow. Then you go into fill. It's on no fill, you can do solid color. There, so you pick what color you want, and you do fill tool, you can fill it in. And notice there that it doesn't fill in the rest of the lightning bolt because the other shape is covering it, so it just fills in that little selection, just a little area, every little square area, it fills it in. There we go. See? They're each little squares, and it'll only fill in separate squares. So if another shape is covering another shape, it'll just cover up full. So right here, this is the color picker tool. You can select any color on the photo or anything that's on the screen, and just select it. This is a text tool. You just drag the text box, type something in it, like hello, or just jellyfish. And then you can choose the font, the size, if you want it bold or italic. You can choose, you can drag it anywhere on the screen. I'm just going to leave it like that. And you can put a line through it, you can make it underlined. You can choose the color. I'm just going to leave it red. I think I just added another text box there. Won't let me get to the other one. And this is a nice little color picker where you can drag it around or make it brighter or darker. That's for more advanced colors. These are all the brush tools. There's spray paint, there's regular pens and stuff. You just click which one you want, click the size, color everything you can draw on the image or on the canvas. That's the spray paint. It just kind of looks like spray paint. Just gonna make the canvas smaller. That looks better. And then these are pretty much all that comes with paint. If you go to view, you can just make it smaller, bigger, just shortcuts. Preview full screen button, you can click on that, or you click back on it and it goes back. So you click on it and it goes back. It's fun. Those are just the view tools, just viewing the creation, artwork, whatever you made. So that's pretty much it for all the tools in Paint. There's not much in Paint. Make it smaller, make it larger, and of course it eliminates your photo. So that's just a blank canvas. If you've never added a photo to it, you can change the color with the fill tool. You can just draw whatever you want on the canvas with your mouse. Select the color, brushes, you can select the size of the brush, and just draw on it. One of the things that doesn't work that well with Paint is selecting colors when you're using the brushes. It doesn't work that well. Right now it's just not working. It keeps wanting red as a default, so you can't see it. And it keeps going back to the small size line. Still wants to be red. There. Alright, so I was just undoing what I had done. So there's my photo that I had made before. It doesn't look all that great, but you know, you can do better. So you can save as, you can PNG, JPG, PMP, what's PNG? Can do a lot of things. You can set it as a desktop background. It's a nice little helpful shortcut. Those are all your recent projects. If you had made more projects, they'd all appear there. And the most recently used would go at the top. About, Paint, new project thing. So save as, you can just click on it. You can choose what file format you want it to be. I'm going to name it Jellyfish Art. You click save wherever you want it to save. That's how you use Microsoft Paint.